So here we are back at the products interface, and what I want to do is I want to show you how to actually add a class to the front page here. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to edit some code. So while we're on the classes page right here, I'm going to come up here and click Edit Page. I'm going to come back over here, and our last item that we added is going to be right up here at the top. It's going to be the business of acting. Click into that to go ahead and edit it. I'm going to come into Edit Page, and you'll see here's the visual editor, but I'm not actually in the visual editor. I'm in the text editor. And what you're going to see is you're going to see all the content there, but it's going to be wrapped in these tags. See these little tags right here? Content gets wrapped in tags and code. And I'm going to come right down here to the bottom. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm looking for the last H3 tag, which is right here. Okay. See that? It's butted up against this right here, which, if I were to view this page, right over here, you're going to see is actually this button and this text right here. This is going to be in the code, although it doesn't appear here on the page. On the code, these two things are butted right up against each other. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here. Sorry about that. We're going to come here, and we're going to come to this H3 tag, which is going to be right below this button, which there's an A tag in front of the button, which starts all the way over right. If you go here, the button starts right here, okay, and the button ends right here, and the A tag ends right here. In HTML, whenever you start a tag, you've almost always got to end it. There are a few tags that don't do that, but virtually all tags do that, right? So we want to come right here. We want to come to the first H3 tag we see, or the last one I mean, and we're just going to come all the way down here to the end, okay, I apologize, and we're going to actually copy all of that. And I'm going to come down here, give me a couple of lines, and copy all of that in there. Is exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, and then we want it to match up, just like we do out here. And we don't want it to have any formatting abnormalities. So we're going to get rid of that line between those two, so that the format is exactly like what we see up here, code-wise. So okay, so now we're going to, and just for sake of clarity, I'm going to separate this right now. Okay, but I'm going to let you know as soon as we're done, we're going to go ahead and put that back where it was, just for formatting. But I'm going to go ahead and separate it right now, just for clarity why we're doing this. Okay, so I'm going to come back to Edit Product. The first thing I want to do is I want to come down here into the content area. And I want to take this, and it doesn't matter why I'm doing this if I'm in the visual editor. You can be in the visual editor over here while you're doing this. That doesn't matter, and I'll show you about that. Come over here. And I want to put that right here after the H3 tag. Okay. And then I want to take the title. This is the next thing I'm going to take. I'm going to put that right here. Then I'm going to take the description. Okay. And I'm going to put that right here. And you notice that this description doesn't have any tags around it. When there are no tags in anything, then WordPress will automatically wrap that in a paragraph tag, even if you're in just the raw code editor, so it doesn't matter. So now we see here we got cost $195 for the week. Let's look at this product. Here it looks like we've got cost is $225. Okay. So, but actually the cost is $199 because we're on sale, but we're going to go ahead and put $225 right here, because that would be the normal cost of the item. I'm going to go ahead and erase all these numbers, put that in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and erase those double zeros. We don't need that there. Now, next thing that I want to do is I want to actually take this link right here, which is the link for the product, and I want to copy that. The last thing I'm going to do is put that right here in this A tag right down here for the button. But what I'm going to do is I'm looking for the A, which stands for anchor tag, and H, which stands for hypertext referrer, which is basically the very heart of the internet. Okay, if it wasn't for this tag right here, there wouldn't be an internet. Okay, I want to come into that double quote right there, and I want to see that HTTP. You see it's just a URL, and I want to go all the way between those two double quotes, and I'm just going to paste my thing in there. I could have right-clicked and hit paste. Once I had it all selected, I could have just said, I'm going to select all of that right there. I'm going to right-click and hit paste. Doesn't matter. It's going to give me the same thing. Okay, now I'm done. I just have to click Update. Now, once I do that, let's click on the View Page link right up here so we can see the page. And now you'll see we have our Business of Acting class, but if we go all the way down to below, we also have the exact same Business for Acting class. Okay, and as we see, if we come up here, we see it says cost $225 for 9 sessions. So let's add that in there. As a matter of fact, while we're here, let's go into this, all the way down to the bottom, into the text editor. Sorry, down to the bottom again. Okay, cost $225. Let's get rid of for the week and paste in for 9 sessions. We'll click update. And now when we go and view the page, we've got it exactly as we needed. Okay, we're seeing right up here, we got cost $225 for 9 sessions. Down here, cost $229 for 5 sessions. Our enroll link, and if we click on that enroll link now, because it's been added in as a product, it takes us directly to our product, and we'll see we're going to the right product because it's on sale for $199. See? So we're not going to the original product, we're going to the product that we created that's on sale for $199. So now that I've shown you how to do that, now you've seen how to edit the product and stuff. Now let's show you how to delete a product. I'm going to get rid of these other 2 pages because I don't need them right now. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click, see this? This is the one that we created. It's got the sale price. Come over here to the Business of Acting and I'm going to click trash. That's all I'm going to do. It is not going to ask me if I want to trash it. It is just going to send it to the trash. Okay. So I'm going to come over here to the trash again. Okay, up here, because all of a sudden that's going to pop up because now I do have some trash. And I'm going to say delete permanently. And that is now going to delete it permanently. Remember, not going to ask me if I want to do it. It's just going to do it. So remember that. That's a very important thing. Come back up to products, and now we see that's gone, and we have just our original 6 products. So that is how you add a product to the external product page and also delete a product from the product catalog.